Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the Claude AI cache and how you can refresh the application when you are experiencing loading or performance issues. So first of all, if you are using the Claude AI's application inside your Android device, then you need to go to your phone's settings, then look for the option of apps. Inside all the apps that are available in your phone, you need to simply search for Claude. Then inside the app info of Claude, you need to open the storage option, and inside the storage option you will find the clear cache option. So you need to simply click on that, and you will be able to remove the cache from your Android device. So this is going to remove all the temporary files without deleting any of the conversations or your account. Now if you want to clear the cache inside your web browser, then you just have to simply click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of your Chrome web browser. Now click on the option of settings. Now inside the settings, simply use the search bar here on the top and look for the option of delete browsing data. Now when you click on it, you are going to see the browsing data of the past 1 hour. So you can also select it as last 24 hours, last 7 days, and all time. So after doing this, you just have to click on the option of delete data. So this way you will be able to clear the cache of the Claude application inside your web browser. Now if you are using the Claude desktop application, then you need to simply close the application completely and reopen it. If the problem continues, you can also update your Claude desktop application to the latest version before trying for further troubleshooting. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.